We have some big news coming in after Australian spectators abused Indian pacer Mohammad Siraj for the second consecutive time. The second day in Sydney, Virat Kohli now tweets. Kohli demands strict action against offenders. Kohli says, and I quote, racial abuse absolutely unacceptable. Have gone through such incidents of pathetic things said to me on boundary lines. Absolute peak of rowdy behaviour. Meanwhile, the incident is now being probed by Cricket Australia and New South Wales Police. Here's Virat Kohli reacting. Boria Mazumdar joining us for more details on that. Boria, Virat Kohli now steps in saying that it's happened to me too. And this is precisely what we've been saying time and again, that this is not an isolated incident. Reports of abuse, racial abuse right on the field while the match is being played, trying to get to the skin of the Indian players is something that Australians and the fans there particularly have mastered, and seems like because there's no deterrent, they continue to do so. What action has been taken now?
Absolutely correct, Nabila. And yes, I mean, Virat definitely has been subjected to racial abuse. If you listen to Ashwin's press conference from 2011 onwards, he has been subjected to racial abuse. I mean, I have covered cricket in Australia for the last 2 decades. I know for a fact that, practically all players who field at the boundary line, Indian players, have been subjected to racial abuse. Even journalists, when we broadcast from outside the cricket stadium, we have been subjected to racial abuse. And this is something that is endemic. And yes, deterrents have to be put in place. Question is, by just imposing a fine and walking them out of the stadium, is that action enough? No, because they will do it again. If they think that by paying some amount of money, they can get away scot-free and abuse a certain player and feel, oh, you know what, I've done a job. I mean, that is the worst form of human behavior and has to be condemned. I mean, now that Virat Kohli's come out, everyone's come out. We need stern action. I was in touch with the ICC. The ICC is strongly condemned it. They are also awaiting, investigation reports. Let me tell you, Mohammad Siraj was called a brown dog. That's what he was called. Team sources have confirmed to me. Team sources have confirmed he was called a brown dog along with all the other forms of racial abuse hurled at him. Now, is this 21st century behavior? Somebody who does this, there must be a law of the land for such racial abuse that needs to be implemented. That person needs to be charged, or the group of people need to be charged. They need to be prosecuted. They need to be charged and put in jail. Otherwise, such deterrence, a fine and a tokenism and a ban for 6 months will never, ever cut the ice, Nabila. We've got to see this stop once and for all.
True. Boria, that's the question. Out of the thousands of spectators on the field, how do you single out the person who said it? To really focus, or rather to punish that one person who said it, it's going to be tough for the body to actually investigate, or is there enough evidence?
Absolutely, there is enough evidence. It's very easy. From what I know, 6 people have already been taken into custody, in a sense, not charged, but they are still being interrogated by the New South Wales Police. 800 security personnel were there. Every seat almost is monitored these days. After yesterday, ICC sources confirmed that they had also spoken to Cricket Australia that there has to be extra security. There were cameras, Channel 7, Channel 9, Foxtel cameras were on that particular stand. So there's absolutely no debate, Nabila. You will have enough and more evidence.
There's no way to get away.
Pinpoint the person. You can lip sync and even get the word. Yeah, there's no way to get away.
Boria, do stay with us. You did mention the ICC has now involved itself. Now,
hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.